Oh, I know what I got.
I don't want to look at it yet.
All
right.
All right, here we go. Looking at number 1. Now I'm going to show you a trick with number 1 in a minute, but let's start with how we've been doing it. So 10 breaks down to 2 times 5. Those 2 numbers are in my list of prime numbers, right?
Yes.
So I can't do anything else with them. 40 is 4 times 10. Now, neither one of these are prime. So I'm going to have to break them down again. So I'm going to bring the 2 times 5 with me. What is 4 broken down?
2 times 2.
2 times 2, and we already know 10. It's 2 times 5.
I did 20.
That's fine. You still should end up with the same thing at the end.
I didn't do it right.
All right, now we mark out what we have in common. We have a 2. We have a 2. We have a 5. We have a 5. When both of them are marked out, it's a 1.
Over 4.
2 times 2 is 4. Now I said I was going to show you a trick. When you have fractions and they both end in 0, you want to know something really cool?
What? And if they're both...
Yep. If you have 2 numbers and they both end in 0, you can mark out the zeros. Now, if you have something that looks like this, like 10 over 400, you can only mark out, same thing here, I can only mark out, right, you can only mark out 1 0, because that's all you have in common. So it'd be 1 over 40.
Wait, I'm guessing second.
So zeros are nice. Zeros just go bye-bye, okay? So you can do that. That's what I always taught my students last year. If you have a 0, mark it out, okay? Now, the second one.
So the top 72 goes into 9 times 8.
Right. So 72 is 9 times 8.
And then
Bless you.
you're going to have to take a...
I got to break these down again, don't
2
I?
times 5.
3 times 3 and then...
3 times 3 and 2 times. So 3 times 3 is my 9.
And 2
8
times 4.
is 2 times 4. Now, all the way to right here, I'm good, aren't I?
Yes.
But 4 is not prime. So I have to break it down one more time.
So it's 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay?
A lot of 2s.
3 times 2 times...
Now, once you start getting the hang of this, are you going to have to do this every single time?
No.
No. But right now, we need to, because we're not seeing the whole picture. All right, 96.
I've gone with 4 on 72. I've gone with 12.
Wait.
That's fine. But then you need to break down your 12 and your 6. And in the end, if you look, Lewis, when you're finished breaking it down, you should have 2 3s on top and 3 2s. It doesn't matter how you do it, okay?
Okay, now the bottom.
All right, so I told you got factors of 96.
Oh,
That's
I know it.
8 and 12.
And you could do 30 times
Now,
12.
what did you say?
3 times 12.
What times 12?
3 times 12.
3?
3, yeah.
Times 12 is 36, not 96.
Oh, wait. I meant
That's why I
30.
was-
I meant...
32 times 3
Yeah.
would give you 96. Okay, now 8 and 12. Neither one of those are prime numbers, are they?
Now so you gotta do it
So
again.
you got to do it again. So 8 breaks down to 2 times 4.
12 breaks down to 2 times 6.
All right.
And then it goes down to 2 times 2.
All right. This one and this one I've got to break down again, don't I?
Yes.
The other ones are fine. So 2 times 4 is 2 times 2.
2 times 2.
And then times 2.
2
And then 2 times 3.
times 2.
There's a lot of 2s.
There's a lot of 2's.
And then you mark.
How many have
314.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's on the bottom. Stop. Stop. We talked about this last night, and now you're on video crying like a baby. Now quit. There are 5 2's on the bottom. That's what you were trying to ask. So there are 5 2's.
And 1 3.
And 1 3. Now we're going to mark out what we can. 3, 3. Can I mark out any other 3's?
No.
No. Now I'm going to mark out my 2's. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I have a 3
And 2 2s.
and 2 2's.
So it's 3 over 4.
So 3 over 4.
I got it correct.
Good. All right, so that one was a really, really long one. All right, I'm going to give you 5 to do for homework, okay? I'm just going to write them up here.
We'll work on one of these bigger.
Yep, so you have 5 that you have to reduce for homework.
Okay, so.
All right, so here's your homework. You can work on it now.
Can I just do it on the back of this table?
Mm-hmm.
How many? 5?
You're going to have 5.
Can we do it now?
Yes, you can go ahead and get started. All right. So you have 18 over 56. You have 16 over 24. You have 30 over 50. You have 24 over 72. And you have 4 over 10. So those are your 5 for homework, and you can start now.